Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat is not refreshing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Snapchat is not refreshing properly, in this case, you just simply have to check your internet connection at first. Sometimes it shows the signal of Wi-Fi or mobile data, whatever you're using, but it's not properly working. Now to know if it's working or not, just simply open any of your browser and into the browser just search for fast.com to know the internet speed of your connection. Then if your connection is working properly, then it's not the case of connection. But if it's not working properly, then you should think about the second possibility, where it might be because of the app cache. In this case, just simply open app setting into your phone, and into the app setting just simply find Snapchat and go to the storage option of your Snapchat. Then you will get this option to clear cache or manage space. Just simply click into this clear cache option in order to clear the cache of your Snapchat. Then after that, your problem will successfully be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.